One of the best open source intelligence gathering and passive reconnaissance tools out there are search engines. Google, for instance, is the most popular search engine on the internet, and it isn't by chance. It is a powerful search engine that's pretty much indexed everything, and it offers a number of very powerful search operators that allow you to find information. These search operators can range from anything such as whatever you put in single quotation marks will give you an exact match. So if you search for site or something in those quotation marks, it will give you only results that match it exactly. But if you try to search for things that were a bit silly, you won't get any results from it, but you will get your suggestions. What you can also do is you can search specifically for information about specific sites or domains. So if we just use the site operator and just did gov.uk, all the information that's returned on here will have .gov.uk in the domain name. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in a little bit. So all the results on here will be .gov.uk, and if you said exact match, maybe something like top secret, you will get results that are on the .gov.uk domain that are specifically related to top secret information. Again, doesn't necessarily mean it is top secret information, and if it ever loads, you might find out what it is. Okay, so it's talking about officers and things like that, but it just shows how powerful these syntaxes can be once you start chaining them together. So what we could also do is we could specify something like file type and do PDF, and then you've got government security classifications PDF. So if you were looking for something specific, maybe you're doing an essay or looking for information about a target, perhaps you could do something along the lines of passwords and change the PDF value to a CSV, because we know CSV is a Excel format. Perhaps we could just do .text to improve it a little bit, and you can see there we have some information. This looks quite juicy. Again, this isn't stuff I've searched for previously, this is just stuff that I've found now. Some of it's getting me a little bit worried because there was a mention of MI5 there, so I probably shouldn't be Google Dorking for information like that, but this information is all publicly listed and available on the internet, so you really do have to ask yourself where the legal grey area is. Can we get in trouble for this? I don't think we should be able to get in trouble for this. By the way, as soon as you click the link, you are participating in active reconnaissance, because you're going onto the site and they can track your IP address. It will be in the Apache logs, but it's a good way to gather information about domains. And again, you can look for files. I probably shouldn't have gone with the site.gov one, because it is a bit more specific and it will get you looking at the specific sites, but you can chain so much together and find so much information. For instance, if you say you were looking for licenses for a particular piece of software, you could do site paste bin or any other site that allows you to paste text, and then in text you could do license key, and then you pipe because you want to add another filter onto it, and you type expiration, and then you'll see I've looked at a few of them. But you will find licenses, because in the text you're searching for license key and expiration on the site called Pastebin, which is notorious for people just pasting information now. We could probably filter it even more and do something like in text username password. See what that comes up with. Goes passwords. Now, again, it's not my fault this stuff's on the internet, and yeah, I'm showing you how to find it, but Google, it's called Google Dorking, and it's using these operators and there's lots of them. You will not struggle to find Google Dork cheat sheets out there on the internet. Have some insanely powerful queries on them. You can use it to find open IP cameras. You can use it to find credit card information. Not that you should be doing those types of things. We are ethical hackers here. You can use it to find robots.txt files, which may show you where directories are. You can use it to find backup files, PHP info files, top secret information that's been misindexed. There is so much potential with Google Dorking. Just go out there, look for a Google Dork cheat sheet, and you will see some of them are completely bunk, but there's loads on there. I've created a basic one. Feel free to download it from my site. Again, I've just copied and pasted a bunch of queries that I thought were pretty cool, especially this one down at the bottom. And yeah, I will put that on my website, but feel free to download it, but go look for your own. If you reference it anywhere, give credit to the people who originally found the syntax. But Google Dorking, insanely powerful open source reconnaissance information gathering tool. Get on it.